No, Mr. Bond, I expect you to die. Trust me, ladies and gentlemen, this month's computer is going to be golden. But onto the specs. Can't give away too much just yet. Spec-wise, water cooled, white, a little bit of a hint. We have 4070 from Zephyr, very unique card. This is a small form factor graphics card. It was intended for the BBC. We will be building some BBCs, but this guy is going into a very, very special case. Power supply, white, gold standard, 850 watt, more than enough power for what we're driving here. This guy, white. Bit of a star of the show, I think. AORUS Pro Ice, motherboard that features a NVMe 5.0 PCIe standard. This is a very, very important thing. There's not many of these motherboards that support the NVMe's with the PCIe 5. This one does, so it's going to be paired with a very, very fast drive. Onto the drive, T700, really, really quick. You'll probably see the difference. It's quite significant for this guy. But only 2 terabytes of that. So we've gone above and beyond, and we've given another 4 terabytes. So that is 2 NVMe's. You have the super speed PCIe 5 and something for a little bit extra storage. CPU, 32 core. This is the 9950X. We love our X. For the RAM, we've gone with Dominator Platinum, 7.2 gigahertz on the clock speed for this guy. Hopefully we'll get that running 100%. It's very, very fast, and paired with a 32 thread processor, this is certainly going to perform quite nicely. Paired with the T700, you're going to get things open super quick. It's going to be a real snappy machine that you're going to absolutely enjoy using. Enough blabbing, let's build.